If your hair is always breaking and hard to detangle, this simple natural gel is exactly what you need. Look at this, my comb is just gliding through my hair with no stress. Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm making fresh aloe vera gel to get this kind of sleep and make detangling so much easier. Because normally, when your hair is dry, once you bring a comb inside, that's when breakage starts. But with this aloe vera gel, your hair becomes moisturized and easy to walk through, even with a comb. Right here, I'm working with fresh aloe vera leaves. I'm cutting them into a big chunks. I'm placing them into a plastic plate. Now I'm pouring water over them and leaving it for a few minutes. This helps to remove the yellow sap which can irritate the scalp. I actually soaked this earlier when I first cut the leaves, but I'm doing it again here so you can follow every step clearly. After a few minutes, I'm draining out the water. Then I'm adding fresh water again and washing the aloe vera properly. Now I'm cutting off the sharp edges on the both sides of each leaves. After that, I'm dividing each piece into two so it's easier to work with. Now, I'm using a knife to carefully scrape out the gel from inside the aloe vera. I'm using this scraping method instead of blending because I want the gel to be very thick and very slippery. When you blend aloe vera, it can become watery and sometimes foamy and it loses that thick texture. But when you scrape it out directly, you get a rich, stretchy gel that coats the hair properly and gives amazing sleep during detangling. And this sleep is very important because it helps your comb glide through the hair easily without causing breakage or stress on the strands. And let me talk a bit about why aloe vera is so powerful for hair care. Aloe vera is packed with vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. These vitamins help to keep the hair strong and healthy. It also contains enzymes that help to remove dead skin cells from the scalp, keeping the scalp clean and refreshed. Aloe vera is also very hydrating. It helps to add moisture to dry hair and makes the hair softer and easier to manage. If your hair is always dry, rough or tangles easily, aloe vera helps to calm that dryness and improve softness. It also helps to reduce breakage because when your hair is soft and well moisturized, it becomes easier to detangle without pulling or snapping. And for your scalp, aloe vera helps to soothe itching and dryness, making your scalp feel fresh and balanced. So basically, I'm not just detangling my hair, I'm also moisturizing it, nourishing it, and taking care of my scalp at the same time. So now, I'm done scraping out all the gel. I'm transferring it into a clean plastic plate. Then, I'm straining it to remove any small lumps so the gel becomes smooth. After that, I'm pouring it into my applicator bottle so I can easily use it on my hair. And just like that, our fresh aloe vera gel is ready. Now, I'm moving into the application. I started by lightly spraying my hair with water, though I didn't capture that part on camera, but I always make sure my hair is slightly damp before I apply anything. As I apply it, I'm gently detangling with my comb and putting each section into twists. Since this is a pre-poo, twisting helps to keep the hair stretched and prevent it from tangling again while I continue. So you can already see how soft and easy my hair is to manage right now. This is why I love using natural ingredients like this. If you struggle with dry, tangled or breaking hair, this is something you should definitely try. It's simple, natural, affordable and very effective. And don't forget, this is just my people step, so make sure you stay tuned for my full wash day routine where I will show you everything I do after this. If you have been struggling with dry, tangled or breaking hair, don't give up on your hair. Just be patient, be consistent and keep learning what works for you. Your hair will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more natural hair care tips. And make sure you stay tuned for my full wash day routine. You don't want to miss it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.